Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna check it out KOIAI Beep Beep Live. Let me check it out. Cool, very bluesy, yes, pentatonic bass stuff. I like this tiri right here on the. Listen to this. Tiri. Hey, I found this, guys. They are maybe in B. I like that. Something right here is. They play on the note. And right here some scream right here on the B note. Cool solo. They play in G, E, and B, but B major. Because first they are in minor, and later on the chorus they are in minor. Great solos with the tapping, guys, with the three fingers and one here, and it's great, or maybe four fingers. Something right here. Okay guys, that was great. I must comment on Beep Beep. Great solo, great stuff. I like the tapping, I like the shredding, and the riff is very cool, like Something right here and guys on the pentatonic bass, but I must give me 1 hour and I would be fine with that. But basic chord changes, I like they change from minor to major. Right here, yes, cool stuff. Great song, I give it a 8. Maybe 7.5. 7.5 because the next song is better in my opinion. But this song is cool too. They keep the level because they are great musicians and they're writing great songs. Subscribe if you like this content. Bye guys.